Okay, so thaji video soju dila ngala phone chiklesra phone leni ani ke makhoya do chikchasha de la sorry lai kyunso time planning ji dinde mo big boss house ka planning to go re de la gonda lai okay ta khwala ni shas Miss Tibet dam la shasa Miss Tibet is awesome mo mora mara pe apo chidu ani Instagram la pe popular do ani Miss Tibet yuna yapo yesare Miss Tibet yuna ta ani puchang mai tai resam gidu ngozo ji big boss ya and jela Mickey doll ye khari la na Mickey doll I really like her because she's very like first of all she's very beautiful digala mora di Jim Dodo in the chidani she's very open minded I think right which I really appreciate ani more also like nimani lip sync do video do so you some style COVID time la more acting than zubani whatever she's very cute with her acting so Mickey doll kuji pero chinang kyoran busy ingure but kuji time penny big boss la pero chi ngozo pora kyola keji thuidu tanya thuidu ani tsela ninje tanda mora problem do yore but still tsela kyoran yung ni big boss la yung 95 yungire an kyoran ni keji she karina beni nondi do whatever lap an ngozo pora taire ngozo pora tani ani Mikashi kyola gyabjo chire Mikashi kola gyabjo chire but ngai yawa chi me suchila sangma dela nga suchil ja chimeda denzo sangma I like these people okay so you are safe with me sele ani didoma mora deli degora didoma inji minchilena yapoyosre didoma I really like her because more straightforward do ani more mila takta susar da tanguni sum didoma lena tangune kinso pura sapsa chine madena didoma gi okay ani mariko themba jeshe mariko mora lena pe apore sum gi du khajila da mariko gi mila tang so ji Tibetan younger generation de zula de khasa inspired au chela you know mariko ni ma thema jinga gyagali de thonsu mariko ending jodu nga 5'4" in size mariko igos goes that so mariko so beautiful moji makeup the perfect makeup chudura oh my god khande china ha mas ngani makeup chuira chudini stila por phidu moji the entire night wig in dish tongba ya mariko kuji kyurang lena ani pe gasare ani dina mina tipchik jinga favorite song di kharilana crush moji first stage da crush lash da only I love tipchik song katuina beninga crush shadi gosu shidirang ningi gosu sa okay ta 부모 줍지 쳤어야 ta 풀려 tet kuncho kona he is very popular I think he has a lot of followers oh my god kota tipchik sa tet kuncho lena kola chance mo yore some to win chala khajilana kola gyagar ni mi mangbo yore pheba yore I think he has 1 million subscribers or something ngaben kola subscribe chiira ani tet kuncho lana kyora tobia chances mangbo price khari yeme thanda on the decision le mare I mean ngai decision le me I can have chirochi price kharido te bore thopniela and Tenkun Tenkun is one of my favorite singers Tibetan singers because Tenkun ka ji shape rong ape gayi especially Tsewa Mashime is one of my favorite all-time favorite Tibetan song so romantic so cute siya ngala khariku ji me Tsewa Mashime roda but the real life la na phumo sang thwe mash Tsewa Mashime lasta but niela nyembudu ani chesa 95 ningsje ta kono problem do da chesa 95 big boss da jina problem sama themba jire phumo ningju yore sela bene yore oh shit kai marta sela yorta sela nyomdo kyonani keje she khare che na chi miduna do keje pro sangma su ani chokpo chini chilo thembe rewa yo ani next Didoma gaji husband Chetri Mr. Chetri I think he should be there because Karina mena chitri di Kari yapo thongona he's a good husband in a sense yang zinyata mipura zingire husband and wife I'm sure they fight behind closed doors but since the camera la tungida and people are judging them and stuff like that but I'm not judging at all Chitri Karina mina mora wife la pe gaidu kora wife la pe gaidu ni yapo chidu and that's all it matters as long as they're happy they will fight they will make it up okay and also you know mina the best husband Alex Mr. Alex Love Song 22's husband 콜레나 아니 빼팅무신 부셔서리 가지러나 Alex ki pepper food 저를 땡기래 ki 부모라 간디 스트리트 치우도 Alex ki 부모라 간디 파티 쏘고도 당보디 소소거지 부고 아마 소소거지 키메라 간디스 backup chi plan chi provide chi nangte karina bani do pura yapo chidu and Alex I really like you yeah like you in the marshimba di marta yeah I like you as a person 아니 유나면은 디 부야랍 꾸지 코어지 personality 디 얘기라나 디두다 big boss 레가 지랑 personality 니 코어지 통고도 코티스틱 세서로 오시 통고도 동바들 일단 sorry 세베니 제서레 아니 짱부베니 두코다야 짱도 로시두미 동바데이다 짱도 so yeah 부야랍 is a good personality to be in a big boss Ani next the Tibetan sitting the husband. I think they're so cute together. They're so romantic. The pepper the put is romantic the chishingi mare, but you know sometimes in the tongi rakorani romantic dosh to lapado sim do they're very cute and I really like him. Koran jok so ben this user. And next na sangmale dilai Lopsang TNY like the injimiji follow chiruchi kogi tanda controversy the cover chi do chosa 95 dang digaji Selagaji controversy the koi cover chi do and he's so funny please go check his videos out Lopsang TNY he's a truck driver Tibetan truck driver and he's hilarious follow chi subscribe chi ngabeni chi sai Ani next the Tibet dorji chosangaji friend push down ni put the yapupe thongso kola support chidu ani Tibet dorji like the ko onzo mangbu thoya mare thanda because popular in some mare but big boss la chiklena kyora fame laire popularity laire kuchi dichini kyora lero chi lai ani last dide kyakar puji ya I think he's from Dharamsala or something. He has videos with Mariko Konima Kimasla stopped Ochisa videos well and he said like he was engaged with someone and then engagement took na chisuko depression to su and ko ji ming di khare on the wallet rochi nga ko laben ketang you to do big boss la anyways that's all thank you I'm really tired